picture for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate.
Bad for the company.
And more generosity by remembering that our purpose lies in what we bring to the world, not from accolades or that the world brings to us. When we focus solely on validations from the outside world, we end up being very easily controlled by circumstances. But when we remain humble and firmly rooted in our ever-present goodness, we can celebrate our accomplishments and learn from our disappointments without letting them be the things that define us. I'm done. Yeah. Awesome. The people we admire, maybe don't do things the way you have always done them, simply because that is the way that you have always done them.
Alright guys, so I'm cooking Sunday dinner. Just got back from off the road and I'm tired. It's now 6:30. We're just getting dinner started. This is a curry rosemary baked dish. So cute.
I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need him. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see it.
But to make all of these things on the grill, you guys.
I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans.
The way I uncovered it was that
up the ante and I'm sure I'm important.
there's a
Win a
restaurant
Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin'.
Support something. Anyway, so I went there. Yeah, so I went there for a place called Bok Boy, and then I ate it. It was so good. Then you
like getting shit loose, deep in it. When we go out, always in love it. Hope to be lit. Running my money up, watch it up in the sky. I ain't picking.
Hey guys, it's the end of the day almost, and I'm just trying to finish cleaning up the kitchen and put these flowers that my friend gave me yesterday, cut them and put them in this vase. Come into my room.
That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important.
So what's up, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another episode of Making It with the Matthews. And today we're going to be doing some repotting for our plants on our deck. As you can see, I got the plants back here with me. I got a trunk full of potting soil. And I decided to just bring the plants down and do them downstairs instead of taking all the pots up, taking the bag of dirt up, doing them up there, to having to clean up all that dirt off the balcony. It's pretty much already decorated in the back, if you can see. So I don't want to have to go through all the trouble of cleaning that up again, so I'm gonna just do it downstairs. All right, got my boy Music with me. Got one of the pots down here ready. Got a trunk full of dirt. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some holes in this flower pot so you can have good drainage.
Running my money up, watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, boy. I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, boy.
Hi guys. So hubby repotted all of our plants and they look amazing. So this plant baby right here, I wish I had a before picture. I'm sure I do. She is a survivor, okay? And this only looked like this because these are all her new growths. But you should have seen what it looked like up until a month ago. There was no new growth. Nothing green was on this plant. Hubby, this one is a survivor too because nothing green was on this plant either. Hubby fixed these, put them in the bigger pot. What else you repotted, babe? This one. Oh, I smell a candle.
Yeah, it was on this side too.
Nice. And he cut her up a little bit. Our sugar cane. Oh, babe, you got all the brown pieces off.
And I planted my paracetamol.
Finally.
Finally, so she's busting.
Wow.
Oh yeah, it was very relaxing for me today. I realized gardening is like put me in the yard.
Yeah.
Find me outside. I'll be planting something.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. I know. You want mommy? I'm coming. Where's Sissy? He's going crazy. Hey, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're starting off our video at the dog park with music. Oh, Taylor also had an 80s day at school today, hence the outfit. And we are in downtown Charleston, right off of Rainbow Row. Are you ready to play music? Are you ready? Don't let him out, Taylor.
Sit, right? Okay, sit. Music, sit. Stay.
He's like, he feels... What? He's too excited to go make friends? Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Taylor, go quick.
Mommy, he's okay.
Hi, buddy. See? Hi, bud.
Come music. Come boy.
He does.
Music, Mom.
He's just so excited.
A lot of stimulation.
Look at how big that dog is.
I know.
Oh wow.
Hey, buddy. You playing with the doggies? This is so many dogs. He's like staying next to his daddy's legs.
Daddy, we need to sit down and let him play.
It's okay. You can say hi. It's okay.
So music is
At the dog park, not playing with any dogs.
he is playing with dogs right now.
Dogs are coming up to him, sniffing him, and he's like, I don't
Look
like
at him. Look at him.
you. Back up.
Go play.
You miss and you in there, get the rebound. Your ball. Make a good shot.
So that's Rainbow Row right there. And then this is the French Quarter, I believe, of Charleston. And the houses, cobblestone streets, and just beautiful French architecture. What happened, Taylor?
My bracelet broke.
Oh, I'm sorry. Beads or bracelets? Which one?
Look, beads. I want to make my own bracelets, but it broke.
Okay. What are we about to eat, babe? What's for dinner?
I was just thinking Chinese is cheap and we have enough for tomorrow, but
You've been wanting Chinese from yesterday.
I think I enjoyed the last one we had. That's why we went.
From the place close to us?
Yeah, but it just tasted different from New Jersey Chinese. I think that's why.
You taste the difference?
It tasted different from my New Jersey Chinese.
Oh, so you like that?
Yeah. And
What's
one
the
next
name
to
of
me,
it
I don't
again?
really like that much. I forget now.
Something Garden. Because I remember seeing it on my when I'm doing my expense report, and I'm like, we have not been. Is there even Olive Garden around here? We have not been to Olive Garden in a long time. It's a school night, babe. Huh? Yeah, I'm doing this.
Mommy, ask my teacher if you could volunteer for the field trip.
Oh, I did send an email, but I'll ask Miss Goodman. Look at me, Taylor. I'm doing a blow up. Guys, this is cool. There's school, guys, and we're setting up for her 7th grade Halloween dance.
She loves volunteering, but she doesn't really do it, so right now she's having the time of her life.
You kind of forced me into this one.
But you're having fun, aren't you?
Yeah. Basketball was canceled.
And everybody came and they were so mad. And I told them, we're not going to have basketball practice. They're setting up in the gym, and nobody believed me. I was like, I'm sorry, but y'all should have listened to me.
Yep. And guys, sugar, yes please, 'cause you know I'm gonna down on me. An entire DJ, and look at this, super cool.
I'm a cool skeleton.
You're a scarecrow.
Oh yeah, I'm a cool scarecrow.
That's right. Do you want these to put in your hands just because? You want these to put inside of your shirt? You okay? Why you look sad? I'm not. Oh, okay, go have fun. Bye. The party is starting. Happy Friday, guys. Welcome back. Let me see.
You could have been home here cuddle up with me. Y'all want to go see Ghosts and Goblins. Go ahead. They got this handsome god in the house with them. And they want to go see Ghouls and Goblins.
Well, why don't you wear what? Let me see it.
Ghouls and Goblins in the dark, you know.
It's not even ghouls and goblins, you guys. It's worse than that.
What?
It's worse than
It's Saw Man.
See?
All sorts of things.
Down here in the south.
We're going to a Fright night, guys.
A bunch of white people, cooping black people to go in the cane field and chop them up.
Stop it.
And they want me come with them.
Don't listen to him.
I love them. But nah.
Daddy, but you're gonna save me.
Twist the ankle. Twist the ankle, okay?
Is it where you tell them to
Rotate,
punch them
alright?
out?
And if you're doing an uppercut, you come from your hip. Up. Alright? And the hook.
Look
Alright?
at music face, though.
And look.
Picking up Taylor's friends so we can go to the Halloween dance. Thank you.
I'm gonna lose it.
All right, you guys, so we're about to walk
make
into this
space.
Fright night thing.
See, I made space.
Taylor, I need to be able to put my phone in it.
But you will. You're gonna be recording the whole time.
No, I'm not.
Traders are so preppy this year.
Cause I'm bossy. Yeah, that is. That's part of that. Yeah, he's like saying hello, everyone. Look, see? We missed him.
Have you didn't really come by?
Oh, it does. It does, Taylor. They're gonna find you.
They're gonna see me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna find you, baby. You were scared.
I don't wanna go. If I swear.
Guys, this is epic.
Don't stop it.
Oh, they're coming! Woo! Whoa!
Who's terrified already?
She is!
Oh, I love it!
This is the Circus Freaks.
Because we have to be prepared for anything to scare us.
Okay.
We have to stay as a group. That's the only way to make it out alive.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
So, we're skipping the entire line just from getting VIP. It was worth the $60.
You guys, but please,
So
let's just
VIP
hold on to each
was
other on the hayride.
$60 per person, and regular tickets were $35.
On the hay, you cannot sit on the ground because the actors will come interact with each and every one of you.
Thank you.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth, I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate. You just just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thinking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate.
Cowboy, he's
I
coming
work
again.
hard to win it, pop it in on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be